Welcome to the Capstone course for Product Owner. In this course, you'll explore the roles and responsibilities of product owners, and you'll apply what you've learned in hands-on projects. Demand for product owners is growing. According to Zippia.com, jobs in this role are projected to increase by 10% over the decade. And with demand comes competitive salaries and exciting opportunities to influence business success. Product owners are more than just a job title. They are the bridge between vision and value. With a blend of strategic thinking, customer focus, and technical expertise, they deliver impactful products that fuel business growth and make agile projects thrive. Simply put, product owners are essential to turning ideas into success stories. This course is designed for professionals who want to develop their skills while also positioning themselves for career growth in a high-demand field. If you're looking to advance your career, increase your earning potential, and learn about becoming a certified product owner ready to drive agile success, you're in the right place. Gain practical, in-demand skills as a product owner while developing a portfolio of artifacts to show your expertise and readiness for product owner responsibilities. To maximize your learning from this course, we recommend that you have prior knowledge of product owner essential skills and tools, communications and stakeholder management, agile development and Scrum, and information technology, or IT fundamentals. Before starting this course, it is recommended that you complete all courses in the IBM Product Owner Professional Certificate. These courses cover topics such as product owner responsibilities, authority, and accountability. Topics include Scrum values, roles, events, and artifacts. They focus on product vision alignment with organizational goals and market needs. Additionally, topics include managing and prioritizing product backlogs, writing user stories, and refining roadmaps. They also include stakeholder management and communication skills, and courses cover lean startup principles, focusing on maximizing value while minimizing waste. Throughout this course, you'll continue to build essential skills in communications and stakeholder management, agile development and Scrum, IT fundamentals, and product owner skills and tools. In this course, you will create key Scrum artifacts and deliverables, manage issues and roadblocks, review a product backlog, and plan sprint retrospectives. An additional module in this course guides you through portfolio development and job readiness. You'll learn about the current job outlook for product owners. You'll also learn about the importance of certifications and how to develop your path to certification. We're glad to have you with us as you start this Product Owner Capstone course. If you have any questions regarding the course material, don't hesitate to contact us. We wish you the best.